Welcome to this quick training session on using floor plans in the Ready Request portal. Whether you're managing space, locating departments, or verifying room assignments, the floor plan tool gives you a powerful visual way to understand the layout of any building on campus. Let's take a closer look. Once you've logged in to Ready Request, navigate to the floor plan section, usually found under the Space Management menu. Here you'll see a detailed floor plan of the selected buildings. Floor plans are shaded to represent different data points, and you can customize what you are seeing using the filter options on the left-hand side. You may filter based on building by identifying the building, or you can begin with the building and it will automatically populate. Also be sure to identify the floor you want to review. You may zoom in and out using your mouse. Let's go through those filters. First up is location type. This allows you to filter rooms based on their function, like offices, classrooms, labs, or storage areas. Simply check the types you want to display. The plan updates automatically, highlighting only the space that match your selection. Next, we have assignment. This filter lets you display only the spaces that are currently assigned, unassigned, or both. This is especially useful for planning moves or identifying available areas. This view can also be used at departmental level as well. Now let's explore org occupant. This lets you filter based on the organization assigned to a space. Think of it like looking up all the rooms used by a particular college or unit, like the College of Engineering or IT Services. This view can also be used at departmental level as well. This can help you assess how much space a department currently occupies and where. You can also zoom in and out to see additional detail information such as room number, area, assigned department, occupancy type, and more. This makes it easy to get quick, actionable data without leaving the map. Zoom and pan around the plan for easier navigations, especially in larger buildings. When you're done with a specific view, just click Clear Filters to reset the plan and start fresh. Let's recap. The Floor Plan tool in Ready Request helps you visualize building layouts, filter spaces by type, assignment, organization, or department, easily identify who occupies what and where, quickly find available or unassigned areas. It's all about giving you the insight and flexibility to manage campus space more effectively. Thanks for watching.